Hey guys, how are you? It's Randy Bable, 10 Commercial Properties. I'm doing it down in Newport, Tennessee at 1010 West Highway 2570. And I've got a commercial building that can be used for an office, treatment center, boarding house, any number of purposes, right down here in a great spot in Newport. Now this commercial building has just recently been renovated. All new cladding, all new interior, all new roof, pretty much a brand new place. I tell you what, instead of having me talk about it, let's go inside, let's take a look. As we walk in, you're immediately greeted by this large open space. You'll notice a tongue and groove hardwood flooring, all new sheetrock walls and clean drop ceiling, all part of the recent full renovation. Over here, you've got a brand new full kitchen with all new cabinetry and appliances. Along with a dedicated laundry area with washer and dryer connections. And just through this doorway, we'll head into the private room section on the main level. Now back here, you'll find a series of private rooms that really open up the flexibility of the building. Walking through, you'll see that there are 4 individually partitioned rooms, a full walk-in shower, and a pair of bathrooms. There's even a separate exterior entrance, which will give you the option for private access. Now up here on the second level, you'll find 4 additional private rooms, 2 on the right and 2 on the left. Again, ideal for offices, treatment rooms, or individual suites. This level really mirrors the flexibility of the main floor, giving you even more usable space. There's also a full bathroom featuring a double vanity and a walk-in shower, all newly finished. And just around the corner here, we've got another staircase that takes us up to the 3rd level. This top level is one large open room, about 13 by 29 feet in size, and it can be used in any number of ways. They make a great private executive office, a lounge area, storage space. So as you can see, this really is a great commercial building, suitable for so many different purposes. For more information, I've set up a website link right here below. Go there for more photos and information about the property. Or if you want to come in and take a look, pick up the phone, give me a call. All my details are right down here below as well. I'm Randy Bable, 10 Commercial Properties. If you think this building is going to suit your purposes, well, pick up the phone, give me a call, and let's see if we can make it yours. I look forward to talking to you.